Hi, my dear students. My name is Arun Naik. Welcome back to my 60 days spoken English program. Welcome to you all. Today, this time I will discuss. Earlier, we have discussed only the past simple. Now, we wanted to have a discussion over this. We have to compare with the past simple with that of the past perfect tense. Just you note of it, past perfect is always, it is the link between the past with that of the present effect. It is the bridge between the past and the present. So let us take an example. Just take an example. When he arrived, the meeting began. Versus when he arrived, the meeting had begun. Why it is begun? Because it is past participle. Why it is began means it is the B2 form. B2 form. So just you compare and study the verb tenses. When he arrived, the meeting began. What does it mean? The first action, his arrival, just coincides with the beginning of the meeting. So it is clearly, it is the past simple. But when he arrived, the meeting had begun. B-E-G-U-N, it is the past participle. So it does mean that the meeting began earlier and he arrived later. So it is clearly, it is a past perfect because it is the bridge between the present with that of the past with that of the present. So that is had plus past participle. Had begun means it is the past perfect tense. Okay. Let us take one more example. By the time we reached the station, the train had already left the platform. What does it mean? Just you explain and study the same what is called the verb tenses. The action of our reaching and the train leaving, reaching and train leaving happened in the past at a different point of time. So the action of leaving happened just before the action of reaching. So the past simple clearly indicates past simple is used for reaching, and past perfect had already left is used for leaving. So we used reached and had left for the verbs. I think it is very crystal clear in between the verb tenses of the past simple with that of the past perfect. That's all for this video. Okay, thank you. Thanks for watching.